Welcome to IGBO AREA TV, where truth meets tradition and identity is celebrated. Today, we take you on a journey far from Nigeria, across the borders, to the country of Gabon, where a hidden story of the Igbo people is unfolding. This is not just history, it is living truth. A truth that reminds us, no matter where we go in this world, Igbo amaka, Igbo amaka.
C'est Benjamin Okeke en tant que premier roi de la communauté des Igbos du Gabon. La cérémonie riche en couleurs a vu une forte participation des Igbos venus de tous les pays, mais aussi quelques autorités de la République gabonaise. Une fierté, une joie pour la communauté.
Aujourd'hui, on est en train de couronner le roi des Hibou au Gabon. Aujourd'hui, tous les 5 États de Nigeria qui parlent Hibou sont réunis aujourd'hui pour installer un chef. Moi, je suis très heureux d'être honoré aujourd'hui par mon peuple, les Igbos, ici au Gabon. Donc, aujourd'hui, c'est un grand jour pour moi. Avec ma famille, nous sommes en joie parce qu'on nous a honorés de vraiment un sujet extraordinaire parce que tout le monde entier était là.
On est content de voir, malgré que nous sommes Hibou, mais on a quand même l'extérieur qui nous assiste. Et c'est vraiment une affaire merveilleuse qu'on dit aujourd'hui et que nos traditions africaines, comme le coutume, qu'au moins on a quand même un jour qu'on ne peut jamais oublier. Qu'on a rappelé les choses oubliantes, aujourd'hui ça devient en réalité.
Le jour d'aujourd'hui c'est un jour extraordinaire. C'est un jour que nous, les Hibou, on ne peut jamais pas oublier dans notre vie ici au Gabon. Ça c'est le couronne des chefs et le roi. Et il y a aussi certaines choses aussi qui nous suivent derrière. Ce qui nous aide aussi à faire diriger aussi les Hibou qui sont ici. Et vous-même, vous savez que tous les Igbos qui sont ici, c'est des Biafra. En fait, aujourd'hui, on est arrivé, c'est pour venir faire en sorte que on soutient le chef qui nous garde ici et qui s'occupe de nous, parce que c'est la tradition.
Igbo is beautiful. Igbo never dies. They are the Hibou people of Gabon. Yes, you had that right. Hibou is how the French pronounce Igbo. Hibou. You got it? These guys are not foreigners to us. They are part of us. They are Igbos who settled in Gabon many years ago through trade, migration, or survival. Some even went during the Civil War, several years even before the Civil War. But they never forgot who they are. That is one of the most important things I want you to pick from this video. They never forgot who they are. And recently, something very historic happened. They crowned a new traditional ruler, their king of Ikwerre, in a beautiful, colorful ceremony that brought Igbos from all over the world to one place. Today is a historic, according to that video, it's a historic and unforgettable day for Ndigbo, the Hibou people in Gabon. According to them, according to what you had, they said, we crowned our king. People came from Israel, from far and wide. We were filled with joy and pride. This day is engraved in our hearts forever. This was not just a party. It was a powerful statement. We are still Igbo according to what they are saying in that video. And we are proud of it. You know, they are speaking in French, but, you know, I'm trying to tell you the meaning in English. They said, we are proud of it. Now, the question many people will be asking, how did Igbo get to Gabon? There are many stories. Like I said, some are during the early trading days. Ndigbo nejepu. You know, these people are what we call itinerary people, traveling people. I don't think there is any race in this world that travels more than Ndigbo. Some people say Jews. I'm also between Iwan and the Jews. For the same Iwan, the Jews are the Hebrew children. Igbos are traveling any part of the world. Nothing is happening there. You understand? So they say some people got there during the trading days, some during colonial labor movements, and others say it was through missionary and merchant expansion. I na ejepu. I bata obodo mmadụ edoziere ndị kwekwel ka edoziere ha. Ndị kwel ka ndị nabatara ọfụma ya haziele ha be ha. So it doesn't really matter how many of them get there, but what matters is how they stayed, they settled, and they did not just settle, they never forget their Igbo identity. You know, I had some people moved from Bini, they went to River State, they forgot their identity. You know, those are lies anyway. So these people still speak Igbo till today. They practice their Igbo culture. They organize themselves as a people. They even have their own king. Igbos in Gabon, they are very enterprising and lovely. In fact, anywhere you follow Ndigbo, they organize themselves as a people. They have been part of the system for long, and they are a blessing to the area. Nigeria chene Ndigbo gozi onu. Chene Ndigbo nabata na Ndigbo etu no kwesịrị isi nabata ka gozi onu. Nigeria ma ife ha eji okwe ka Ndigbo pụọ jidesie ha ike mana akpawu ha. So despite everything, they still speak Igbo, and their identity is still Igbo. That makes me proud of them. It is something to be proud of. I can decide to go and live in Gabon, and I will find my brothers there. Meanwhile, this brings us to a deeper issue, something we need to address here at home. Very important. You see, why is it that some people in Nigeria today, especially in River State, in Delta, in Benue, and parts of Edo, some people are told they are not Igbo. Some say the Ikwerres, the Ogbas, the Ebeyes, the Anioma people, they are not really Igbo. They lost their language. They crossed from Benin. You know, that migration story from Benin, I talked about it in a video, I think 2 days ago, yesterday. That these people migrated from Benin and they lost their language. Meanwhile, it is a lie. Igbo people do not lose their language. They were not speaking Benin or Edo language or Benue language. No, they were Igbo. They did not lose their language. They were where they were. They are in their land. They did not lose. The Ikwerres, the Ogbas, they are Igbos. They did not lose any language. They are still speaking their language. It's only a lie. You understand? Our people, whether in Ikwerre, it's only a lie. It's a colonial narrative, a divide and rule tactics. The things like that were used to hold our people hostage. So, our people, whether in Ikwerre, Ogba, Ndokwa, Eka, Okwane, or Ebe, they did not become Igbo. They were always Igbo. They did not, it's not a case of, they were formerly Bini and they became, no. They did not become Igbo. They were Igbos from time immemorial. Their languages are not borrowed. Their customs are not adopted. They are authentic branches of the Igbo people, of the Igbo tree. Just like the Hibou people of Gabon, far away from Nigeria, they are still speaking Igbo. So what excuse do those ones in Ikwerre have? And you know, maybe it is time to stop letting politicians and historians divide us. It is time. So it is time to listen to what our hearts and our culture already know. Igbo is not just a tribe, let me tell you. We are not just a tribe. Igbo is not limited to one language or dialect. Igbo is a people, a history, a spirit, a nation. Whether we are in Abao, in Port Harcourt, in Gabon, or America, we carry our Igbo DNA in us. It lives in our language, our tradition, and our resilience. Our resilience. So today, we say thank you to our brothers and sisters in Gabon. You reminded us who we are. You showed us what unity and culture can do. Let's not forget them. Let's not forget each other. Let's build bridges, not borders, within our Igbo nations. Please drop a comment below. Write, I am Igbo and I'm proud in your comment. And please don't fail to share this video with friends in Delta, Rivers, Anambra, Gabon, Cameroon, anywhere Igbo people and Igbo blood flows. I am Azuka OJ. I say bye-bye for now.